What if the future of our economy lies not in the hands of human ingenuity, but in the circuits and algorithms of artificial intelligence?
As we approach the precipice of a new technological era, it's worth contemplating the potential ramifications of such a seismic shift and how it could redefine the economic landscape as we know it. Already, we're seeing the early impacts of AI in various sectors, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us.
Consider the manufacturing industry, where AI has streamlined processes and increased efficiency, or the healthcare sector, where AI-assisted diagnostics are helping to save lives. Even finance has felt the touch of AI, with sophisticated algorithms predicting market trends and guiding investment strategies. These are but a few examples of how AI is reshaping our world, one sector at a time, but this is just the beginning. If current trends hold, AI could drive annual global GDP gains of around $13 trillion by 2030, an increase of about 1.2% for the world economy.
Imagine the possibilities as advanced AI systems begin to automate more complex tasks, currently performed by humans, across a variety of industries. The potential for growth is staggering. Yet, amidst the promise of prosperity, there lie potential pitfalls.
The rise of AI could also mean the displacement of human workers, a prospect that could exacerbate existing inequalities if not properly managed. And then there's the question of sustainability. As AI systems grow more powerful, so too do their energy demands, a concern that must be addressed as we move towards a more AI-driven future. Driving this revolution are rapid advancements in AI capabilities, fueled by the twin engines of machine learning and neural networks, coupled with an ever-increasing availability of big data to train these systems, and the development of more specialized AI chips and hardware for accelerated processing power. The stage is set for AI to take center stage in the economic theater. In conclusion, the potential of AI to transform our economy is immense. It's a tool of unprecedented power and versatility, capable of automating tasks, augmenting human capabilities, and driving economic growth on a scale not seen since the Industrial Revolution. But like any tool, its utility and impact will depend on how we choose to use it. The future of AI, and by extension our economy, lies in our hands. Only time will tell what this new era will bring.